Previously on Roses and Daggers.
Are we going to talk about last night?
What is there to talk about?
You can't tell me you're not upset. I know why you walked out, and I'm sorry.
I was just not ready to entertain the music of a troubled woman. That's it. There was nothing to be scared of.
Are you saying you feel nothing at all?
What is there to feel?
I want you to feel just a little emotion. Just a little bit. I'm married to a human being, damn it.
Maybe he's a man of little words.
I'm not even asking him to speak. Just show a little emotion. Even a little jealousy, maybe.
Be careful what you wish for.
Okay, fine. You want me to apologize? I will. But I'm not sorry. She needs to know that I know, and she needs to stop.
Stop what?
Take it anymore. Time to strike and score. Time and chance waits for no. I must be strong and fight.
Good morning.
It's hard, but I can buy.
Please, I'm here to drop my application letter.
I am just me. And if I make it, His name be praised. I take the risk, cannot be erased. That's the way life goes on.
Okay, thank you.
I wanna be ready. Oh yeah, man, come to my season. And your brow, quaint to a name, baby. I'm gonna be on the run. Life is short. I wanna make it by your means. I'm gonna be at the top. No matter what, Oprah, and you are out. I'm gonna be on the run. Life is short. I wanna make it by your means. I wanna make it by your means. I'm gonna be at the top, no matter what. Oprah, and you are out. I can't take it anymore. Time to strike and score. Time and chance waits for no one. I must be strong and fight. Life is hard, but I can bite. Take it or leave it, I am just me. And if I make it, His name be praised. I take the risk, cannot be erased. That's the way life goes on, baby. I wanna be ready. Oh yeah, man, go to my season. Hey, I'm proud, wait to a name, baby. I'm gonna be on the run. Life is short. I wanna make it by your means. I'm gonna be at the top, no matter what. Oprah, and you are out. I'm gonna be on the run. Life is short. I wanna make it by your means. I'm gonna be at the top, no matter what. Oprah, and you are out. Oprah, and you are out. Oprah, and you are out.
Good evening, ma.
Oh, Kuma. You can't find a job in a single day. Why stay out so late?
Ma, I had to try. And there was heavy traffic back. So, how you feeling now?
Much better.
Ah,
There's food in the kitchen.
okay.
Uma? I'm beginning to take going back seriously. I still have some business back home. At least from there, I can support you a little.
Ma, you can still start up a new business here. You can't leave me all alone.
I won't be leaving you alone, Kuma. I will be coming back intermittently to visit. And I need enough money to be able to check your sister into a psychiatric hospital if and when we find her.
What? Psychiatric hospital? Hey!
Of course, she's mad. That's the only reason why she will behave this way.
Ma,
Oh, Kuma, I'm serious. I will have to seek help for her. You have been right all this while. You keep laughing. I'm very serious, Kuma. Kuma,
Mama.
why are you laughing?
Don't go eating anything you're not supposed to be eating. Where's Patrick?
We're picking him up on the way.
Nope. I'm calling him. He's responsible for you and you would have to listen to him.
He works for me and he does as I say.
And you both work for me. I'm the CEO, don't forget that.
Yes, ma'am.
Olu, please drive with care. Oh, I'm gonna miss you.
Yeah.
I love you. You better call me. Bye.
Ceci.
Ceci.
What are you doing here? I think I told you not to step here until you are healed.
But sir, by the time this wound would heal, you would have finished the building already.
But I can't have you working here like this. You are not fit.
But sir, if I just lie down doing nothing, I would die. Besides, I've spent the money I've saved over the past weeks.
Here. Take this.
But I need this job.
Ceci, you already have a job. Just go home. and do not return until you feel better, alright?
Winnie? Asleep?
No, I'm just here bored.
I can understand. Zach's mom. She's so determined to keep me busy all day.
Well, as for me, I don't think she likes me.
No, that's not it. She's just a little bit possessive. I struggled with her when I first got married to Zach. But hey, once she accepts you, you'll be best friends forever.
I see, but when is she leaving?
I don't know yet, but she shouldn't be long because she has a business she needs to go back to. Did you call Zach?
Yes, is that a problem?
Not with me, but I don't think he appreciates it.
Oh, I just wanted to say hello.
I understand. You know he's not gotten used to you yet. So let's just keep it low-key for now, okay?
Okay, please apologize to him for me. I was just trying to fit in.
It's okay, it's fine. Just let's keep it on a low profile. Okay?
Alright, no problem.
Anyways, Zach's mom has prepared lunch in case you're hungry.
Okay, thanks.
See you.
Sure. Hello? No, not yet. Listen, I might need help arranging the action. Yes. It's proven extremely difficult to... I'll have to call you back. It's becoming close to impossible to get out of the house. No. Her mother-in-law is here, and the woman sees right through me. I can't even breathe without her sensing something is up. I need another plan. It definitely can't happen here. You know, the only way the man will entertain the thought of another woman is to plant doubt in his head about his wife. But I might be running out of time because both him and her mother are not my favorite friends right now. Frankly, I'll be surprised to find my bags out of the house one of these days. I need to act fast. Yes. He's not even here for me to try seduction on him. And the fool told his wife when I called him. But listen, do you think you can handle the mother? How's that going to be possible? She hardly ever leaves the house too. No. I can't have any incidents in the house. Someone might put two and two together and relate it to my presence there. Just let me think about this for a while. If it comes down to it, we'll just go back to the initial plan. Get rid of Zach and find another way of taking everything from Anita. Yes. Okay then. Bye.
Kumba. Kumba. What are you thinking about?
Michael. Michael. Mike, I think I could get a job at your friend's place. Probably we could ask him for help.
As what?
I could work at the records or clean. Anything that would need the medical certificate.
Why do you want to work in that hospital?
Because it's a private hospital and it pays good.
You are lying. You think there's a higher chance of you running into your sister in that hospital?
Who is that?
That's the engineer.
And the other man, the engineer's partner.
Why?
I sold some bad food to them the last time they were here. It's made the engineer very sick. He said he would arrest me the next time he sees me. I think I have to hide. Why are you laughing?
He was just scaring you. Come on.
He was very angry. I'm leaving. I won't return till they leave.
I'm sure he won't even recognize you.
I'm not sure about that. I'm going.
No, it's a bit too late for rounds. We'll come back in the morning and do the first thing tomorrow.
Yes, sir. You are welcome again, sir.
Who's that?
Oh, that's one of the town's folk.
And she works here?
Well, she was helping a little with welfare, getting water and food, that sort of thing.
And?
And sometimes she decides to help with other things on site as well.
Looking like that?
What happened to her legs?
She had an accident about a week ago on
And you
site.
allowed her to come back to work in this condition?
I instructed her
You're
to go
the
home
manager
by-
on site, for God's sake. You just don't throw instructions about and turn a blind eye when they're not being followed. Do you know what this could mean? I mean, the outrage if any media happens to come and see this. Do you have any idea the danger you're putting her through for not being properly geared up for work?
Sir, she was geared up.
And where are they?
Look, has she been to the clinic?
Yes, she has.
Bring her here.
What do you want us to do?
Nothing yet. I'll have to access the situation before any action is taken.
Cersei. Come with me.
Huh?
Come with me.
To where?
The engineer wants to see you.
Hey, I didn't do anything, oh. That meat wasn't even for me.
What is she talking about?
She's afraid of the engineer.
Why?
He said he will arrest me.
Look, stop being that childishness and come with me this minute.
Hey. Hey.
I don't know why he allowed her to come back to work looking like this.
Look, you can address this later, okay? I mean, he'll feel embarrassed in front of his boys.
What's going on?
She looks familiar.
Please, I'm sorry. I didn't know the meat was bad. Please don't arrest me.
What's she going on about?
One of you threatened to arrest her.
I think I remember her now.
You know her?
Yeah. She was the girl that brought the poisonous meat. And I came to meet her the next day and asked her not to come back. If not, I was going to arrest her.
Why did you do that?
And I asked her to stop coming here before she causes more damages.
I stopped selling it. That meat wasn't for me. I was just selling.
How long has she been working here?
About a month, sir.
Get up. What's your name?
Cersei.
Get her into the car.
Where are we taking her?
I don't think I like the sight of this. I'll not be surprised if the wound is infected. We're taking her to the clinic.
We're taking you to the clinic.
You scared her earlier on? Come, let's go.
I'm fine.
If you don't get into the car, I'll have you arrested.
Ma, are you going job hunting today too?
Yes.
Don't you have classes?
I do, but my lecture starts at 12 today, so I want to quickly drop this letter then. I'll head to school.
Ah, okay then. Good luck.
Thank you.
Please, we're done for here.
Oh, okay. Thank you. When does she come back for dressing?
3 days.
Right. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Where is it?
That.
This?
I'll take care.
No, don't worry. Yeah?
Yes. Thank you. Water?
Where are the rest of your things? What does that mean?
I don't have anything.
This is it? Everything? Oh my God. Who owns this place? Where's your family?
Boss, shall we go?
Yes.
I moved the GTM to Tuesday. I hope that's okay.
take it anymore. Time to strike and score. Time and chance waits for no one. I must be strong and fight. Life is hard, but I can bite. Take it or leave it, I am just me. And if I make it, His name be praised. I take the risk, cannot be erased. That's the way life goes on, baby. I wanna be ready. Oh yeah, man, come to my sissy. Hey, your brow, quaint to